Me say guess me what? We well get ready for work. Yes, to teach online at 10 a.m. And what? Today is not the 10 o'clock class. Today is the 1:30 p.m. class. Me well dressed, even though it's just the top half. No worry about that. Well dressed and ready for class on this Christmas Eve here. Eh? But anyway, what are you up to? It's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow in Japan is Christmas Day. Not much of a celebration here in Japan as it is not seen as a public holiday. And certainly there aren't any celebrations around the birth of Jesus Christ here in Japan, except for in the Christian churches that are here, which are not that many. So, what are your plans? I am here trying to figure out myself. What are my plans? This is going to be my fourth Christmas in Japan, and I've really had no kind of habits or patterns developed over that time because there's nothing leading up to, you know, the Christmas that you would normally experience in Jamaica, where yes, you're hearing carols here and there, kind of. You spot a one, two pepper light here and there. You might see a few decorations in a few stores, but there's nothing really to put you in the Christmas vibe or the Christmas mood here in Japan. And personally, it's not something that I normally push myself into while I was in Jamaica. But in Jamaica, I would be surrounded by it. I could see it and, enjoy it, I guess, through others. But in a Japan, yeah, so listen, man, you have to dig deep. It's my put on my red. I put on a red. I put on a red today. It's a kind of wine red. Because, me I say, all right, try get a little festive. Or it's just another day. I mean, it is really another day, but I really wanted to kind of feel a little vibe, and do something. What would you do? What do you do leading up to this season? What do you do? I'm not much into decorations and Christmas tree and pepper light, worse in a foreign country. What can I do? What do you suggest? Give me some ideas, man. Give me some ideas, man. Run the thing. For me, a good book is always good enough. Jigsaw puzzles are still my thing. What else can I do this year? See you. This wasn't supposed to be a Stacy in Japan video, but hey, I'm just letting you know my thoughts right now. Take care and God bless you. Yes, Jesus is the reason for the season. That's the only celebration that is consistent with me, only. And I celebrate him every day. Rambling now, but it's all good. God bless you. Stay safe. Stacy in Japan.